Greetings, and welcome to this online demo of Empower Template Management. Perhaps you're frustrated with the time-consuming task of managing and distributing Microsoft 365 templates. Or maybe you're using your own template system that no longer meets your needs. In either case, consider Empower Template Management, a cutting-edge software as a service solution hosted on Microsoft Azure and closely integrated with your company's Azure Active Directory. Empower Template Management seamlessly integrates with Microsoft 365. It works with the desktop applications, online Microsoft 365 apps, and is accessible on various devices, including mobile devices and Apple Mac OS. Here are the key advantages Empower Template Management offers your organization. Effortless email signatures. This tool simplifies the creation of professional and up-to-date email signatures. Your team won't need to undergo any additional training to achieve this. Number 2, resource accessibility. With Empower Template Management, all your design assets are conveniently accessible in a centralized library. This means that producing visually appealing documents becomes straightforward. Number 3, streamlined template management. Managing templates is a breeze thanks to the well-organized library. This feature ensures that your team can efficiently handle templates without any complications. Number 4, legal compliance assurance. Empower Template Management automatically populates documents with the accurate profile, location, and company data. This ensures the legal compliance of your documents, adding a layer of security to your operations. Empower Template Management offers a contemporary solution for organizations looking to simplify their template management process while maintaining a professional and legally compliant document workflow. Let's start in Microsoft Outlook. As soon as users open a new email, Empower automatically provides a current and corporate design compliant email signature within the email. All that's left to do is compose and send the email. Under Insert, Signature, users will find all variations of their signatures, in this case in both German and English, which Empower automatically generates here. You can easily replace the existing signature in the email with a different variant. Users can view their email signatures under the Manage Signatures section. If necessary, users can create additional signatures, of course, while strictly adhering to corporate design guidelines and within the framework of the data structure provided by the company. You can choose from different profile companies with various locations and different templates if your company needs or wants to provide more than one template. As an example of the need to use another profile or create another profile and subsequently another email signature would be assuming a representative role for someone else in the company. With one click, the additional signature is also created and ready for use. Let's take a closer look at the data contained in the signature. These come from various sources. The personal information comes from your company's Active Directory. You can check out this data in the relevant menu. If, for example, you have a different role or a job within the company, you can create an additional profile right here. The data fields are already set up, and the necessary information is automatically brought in from your company's Azure Active Directory, so you don't have to fill in the details manually. If you need to, and your company allows it, you can turn off the automatic data retrieval for specific fields. This means that you can enter the information yourself. This can be really handy, like, for example, if you recently got married and don't want to wait for a name change in the company records. Instead, you can instantly send emails with your new name, just click OK, and your changes will be saved. Location and company data either come from your company data source that we connect to Empower during your system setup, or are imported into Empower during setup from a structured list via upload. From that point on, they are manageable in Empower. Empower provides a corresponding interface for company data management. Within Empower Template Management, your company's organizational structure is visually represented, complete with data from subsidiary firms that include varying corporate details, locations, and logos. This view is accessible exclusively to system administrators, who possess the authority to modify this information. Should the need arise, company data can be displayed in multiple languages, with corresponding logos adjusted accordingly. New subsidiary companies or locations can be effortlessly added via the intuitive functions located in the upper left-hand corner of the interface. Furthermore, precise control over data management permissions for all or specific subsidiaries, along with their respective data, is available, ensuring the clear delineation of responsibilities for data upkeep within the organization. Moving beyond data management, Empower Template Management offers a valuable feature relevant to all businesses: campaign management. System administrators can access the campaign management functionality, which enables the time integration of banners into the email signatures of all users or select user groups. The process is simplified through the upload image function, making banner integration a straightforward task. Moreover, banners can be enhanced with hyperlinks, and their placement within the email signature can be easily specified by filling out the appropriate field, whether at the end, in the middle, or at the top of the signature. With a simple click on the save, the campaign is executed during the chosen time frame and is automatically concluded at the end of that period. Let's take a step further into Microsoft Word. We open the Office application, and pay attention, you can see that the current company letterhead is automatically opened and populated with the profile, location, and company data. Just like the email signature already prepared, users in Word are also starting with a perfectly prepared document without having to do or learn anything themselves. No one can bypass the current template anymore, and everyone saves a lot of time through the automatic data filling. We'll take a closer look at the effect of data filling shortly, but first, let's get an overview of Empower's integration into Microsoft Word. Now you'll notice an additional ribbon named Empower. It's prominently placed between the file and home. These are primarily Empower functions that are not found in Word by default, as well as crucial Word functions that users often require and prefer not to search for in other Word ribbons. If you already have Microsoft Word open, as we do now, you can start a new document using the function on the far left of the ribbon. This will open the Empower library, a platform that offers all of the current templates, text blocks, and design elements. The library is structured with folders for easy organization, allowing users to quickly and easily find necessary elements, like the company letterhead. If users can't locate a template quickly, they can trigger a search through the search field, and the needed template is readily available. With just a double click, the template now opens, and now you can witness the same effect as in the beginning. The data is automatically filled in without users having to do anything. Regarding the data used to populate the document, if you look in the middle of the Empower ribbon, you'll notice that the same functionalities you just saw in Outlook. Here, users can access their profile data, and if needed, and with the company's permission, make changes or create a new profile. Administrators can manage the data just as you observed in Outlook. In other words, it's the same interface, and the same data is used for populating both email signatures and Word documents. This is particularly practical because all documents are kept up to date through a single data source. If users, after the initial automatic data filling, choose a different profile, all of the data in the document is automatically adjusted afterward, as you can see here. So users always start with a perfectly prepared template, allowing them to immediately focus on what's essential. The selection of the right template and the automatic data filling work just as effectively in Microsoft 365, online apps, on Apple Mac OS, and via web apps on mobile devices. On mobile devices, here's an illustrative example within the Word Online app. Users can access additional options, including the ability to manage their profile data in the browser. Clicking on this option opens a new tab displaying the data. Alternatively, users can search for and open the right template through the integrated library. After a brief dialogue where users can modify or confirm the default selection of profile, location, and company data, a perfectly prepared document opens in a new tab, allowing them to continue working seamlessly. Now, let's return to the Word desktop app and explore the additional capabilities that the template management system offers to users in Word. Through a quick access toolbar on the right-hand side of the screen, also part of Empower, users can efficiently leverage templates to swiftly complete their documents. Here they have access to text elements, images. These images could also come from a digital asset management system connected to Empower, eliminating the need for redundant image file management and providing users direct access to their company's current image resources, all within Microsoft 365. This means documents can be finalized in no time, ensuring they are current in content and maintain a professional and design-compliant appearance. Let's now move on to Microsoft PowerPoint. Here you'll also notice an additional ribbon that assists users in creating professional presentations in no time. As with opening PowerPoint, the current template is already loaded. It includes all the color schemes, font styles, and predefined slide layouts, allowing users to dive right into their work. If PowerPoint is already open and users want to start a new presentation, they can simply click New in the Empower ribbon. Once again, the Empower library opens. Its purpose is the same as in Microsoft Word, offering all templates and design elements directly within PowerPoint. Here you can see the current master template, which users can open instantly. For companies with multiple brands and consequently multiple master templates, it's worth noting that you can, of course, store multiple master templates. An integrated permission system allows you to specify that only a certain user group from your Azure Active Directory, such as users from a specific subsidiary, should have access to a particular additional slide master. With just a double click, the template opens and users can immediately focus on the content of their presentation. They can either choose one of the pre-made layouts in the slide master and customize it, or click the Slides button in the Empower ribbon to access a collection of high-quality slide templates that can be precisely tailored to your company's corporate design. From these templates, they can freely select, and the slides are instantly inserted into PowerPoint. Using a simple building block approach, users can now employ design elements to craft and enhance the slides, such as text elements, including footnotes and other annotations. Diagram templates that seamlessly fit into PowerPoint placeholders. Tables. Users can pre-select the number of rows and columns for the table, which are then inserted directly into the placeholders. Icons. Here, it's particularly easy to swap icons in the same position and size, in case one changes their mind later, thus saving the hassle of formatting. And finally, images. These can also come from your digital asset management system, ensuring that users have access to up-to-date images automatically, sparing them the need to search or potentially use questionable Google images for the presentation. It's worth noting that the existing images can be effortlessly replaced in the same position and size without any formatting concerns. And there you have it, a presentation made simple and efficient. In PowerPoint Online, presentations can also be easily and efficiently created with Empower. The library is seamlessly integrated here as well, offering current slide masters, slide templates, and design elements. Users can compile a selection of preferred content from the library and then open this compilation of desired elements in a new tab to complete the presentation here. Moreover, beyond the integrations in PowerPoint Online and Word Online, it's also possible to access the Empower library via a web app that works on any internet-capable device. Here, users will find all templates for all Microsoft 365 applications, allowing them to access them from any device. This is especially valuable if your company has a diverse client IT environment, follows a bring your own device policy, or prefers not to install software clients on all devices. All users, regardless of their IT setup, always have access to your company's current Microsoft 365 templates without exception. Finally, a quick look at Microsoft Excel. When you start Excel, a compliant Excel template is automatically opened. Users looking to perform calculations can find the current reporting template in the library, which they can simply open and use directly. And if they later want to visualize their data, for example, in a chart, they can easily select a chart from the Quick Access toolbar and add it to their workbook. This allows for the creation of clear and organized workbooks in no time. Now you've seen how users can work with the software in all of the most commonly used Microsoft 365 applications. You've also learned where administrators can manage legally relevant data and email signature campaigns. Lastly, let's take a look at how new content is added to the library. This process is straightforward and works consistently with Empower across all Microsoft applications. Let's demonstrate this using PowerPoint as an example, as this is where most companies have the widest variety of templates and design elements. Moreover, it's where elements are most frequently exchanged. Imagine you've ordered new slide templates and a new icon set from your agency, and you want to make these assets available to all users through the template management system. To provide the new slide templates, simply select all the new templates in the slide sorter, then click on Library and Save. As you can tell, it follows the familiar and intuitive Windows approach. Next, choose a folder in the library where the new templates will be stored and click Save. And there you have it. You're done. The content will now automatically synchronize with all Empower users, enabling everyone to have access and use the new slide templates via the Quick Access toolbar. The process is similar for icons, which you can see on this slide. Just select all of the icons, click on the library, and then save. Choose a folder and confirm. After a short synchronization, the icons are ready for use, and users can incorporate them directly into their work. Providing new Word templates, text components, and email signatures operates with the same simplicity you just saw. Due to time constraints, we won't demonstrate this here, but if needed, you can review it during your conversation with us later on. So you've now seen the system and can get a good impression of the template management with Empower. So let's address some important questions that may be on your mind. Question number 1, does the system need to be administered by IT, or can departments handle it themselves? The system is designed in a way that departments can also administer it, meaning they can add content to the libraries and manage corporate data and signature campaigns. Many IT departments at our customers find delegating these responsibilities to be a significant relief. It's also very convenient for the departments because they can make changes on their own and don't have to wait for IT colleagues to execute them. Question number 2, is the system secure? Yes, certainly, highly secure. The cloud solution is exclusively hosted on Microsoft Azure, and each customer has a separate environment to ensure that your data is always well protected and there is no risk of it being mixed with that of other customers. Additionally, Empower is ISO 27001 certified and considers it their absolute priority and duty to protect customer data. To achieve this, we ensure that every part of our organization complies with the highest security standards. Question number 3, how does the setup, implementation, and maintenance of the system work? Let's talk about the setup. Parallel to the contract negotiations in your procurement process, you will engage with our setup team, and we will advise you on various setup options tailored to support your needs. During this discussion, we will also inform you about the preparations you and your IT colleagues need to make and the materials we require for the initial setup. After the contract is signed, we will prepare the system for you in a matter of days and deliver the software, including the essential templates for your company. Further setup requests and related detail agreements will follow so that your company can quickly benefit from the solution, and any additional preparations can be made at your convenience. Implementation. We accompany the implementation process with training and provide your staff with additional support materials. We are also available as a competent point of contact even after the implementation to ensure you receive ongoing support. You will receive detailed information about the implementation process during your procurement process and in even greater detail during a comprehensive kickoff meeting at the start of the project. This way, we can work together to create a solid project plan, benefiting from our experience in hundreds of projects with companies of all sizes in this field. Ongoing system maintenance after implementation. Here you really have 2 options. You can maintain the system and its content yourself using the functionalities you have seen in this demo, or if you don't have the resources for system maintenance, you can simply entrust it to us. With Empower Managed Service, we will take care of the template management system for you. The process for making changes is straightforward within the managed service. If you have a change request, such as adding new Word or PowerPoint templates or design elements you recently created, just send us an email with the relevant files. We will handle the changes and notify you once they are complete. This means you won't have to worry about system maintenance later on. If you're interested, our representatives can provide you with detailed information about the service offering during the procurement process. So that concludes the demo of Empower Template Management. If you have additional questions, please feel free to reach out to us. If you would like to know how the implementation will work specifically for your company, we should connect. Together, we will ensure the establishment of a modern and user-friendly template management system in your company, ensuring that your users can create nothing short of professional Microsoft 365 documents that instill trust. We look forward to speaking with you. Until then, have a great day and all the best.